Hello guys, my name is Tanmay Gupta and today I'm back with a new tutorial. In today's video I'll be telling you how you can install Play Store with Magisk. Yes, you heard it right, with Magisk and full root support. And this video is only for Windows 11 users. So please make sure that you are a Windows 11 user and you must have installed latest Windows 11 version on your PC or laptop, and we are not going to install any type of emulators like BlueStack and other. We will be enabling Windows Subsystem for Android, which comes inbuilt in Windows 11, and it works 4 times better than any emulator. So without wasting any time, let's jump into tutorial. So now first we have to click on Windows icon, and just after that we have to type turn on or off Windows feature. Turn Windows features on or off. And now you have to search for virtual machine platform. Now we have to enable the virtual machine platform. Here it is. As it is not enabled in my laptop, so it's unchecked. Now you have to check mark it and press OK and wait for few seconds. Now you have to restart your laptop or PC, and after that we will do the further steps. So after rebooting your system, let's check whether our virtual machine platform is enabled or not. For doing that, just simply click on Windows icon and search for turn Windows feature on or off. Turn Windows feature on or off. Click on it and search for virtual machine platform, whether it is enabled or not after rebooting our system. So as you can see, it got enabled after rebooting our system. Virtual machine platform got enabled, so hit OK. Now the main step, if you don't follow this step properly, this process is not going to work. So what you have to do, just simply click on the Windows icon and search for PowerShell and run as administrator. Again I'm saying, please make sure that you run PowerShell with administrator, or else the whole process will not work. Click on yes, and after that we just have to paste a single line command. Don't worry, I will provide the command in the description box. Just copy this command and simply paste in PowerShell. And hit enter. Now you don't have to do anything, simply just reboot your system. You have to restart your system. So after rebooting your system, you have to download one file which I have already uploaded. You just have to check the description and you will get the link there. The name of the file is Play Store with Magisk Windows Subsystem for Android, and it's in a 819 MB size. So you have to simply extract to Play Store with Magisk for Android, and have to wait for few seconds. Now just go into that folder. Now here we have to search for install script file. There it is, install Windows PowerShell script. Now select it and run with PowerShell. Right click, run with PowerShell. Now it will start installing Play Store with Magisk on our system. Click continue. Okay. All done. Press any key to accept. Done. Okay, as you can see, we have successfully installed Play Store in our device. Okay, so let's check it out whether it's working or not. Well, everything will work, and it is 4 times much faster than any emulator. As you can see, it detected my Windows subsystem as a Pixel 5, and there you can see Magisk is also installed. So I hope you liked my video. Please like and subscribe and share this video with your friends for help me to reaching 1000 subscriber. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, enjoy. Thank you everyone.